Hello, I'm in the shadows, depending on which way I'm moving. So I thought I would vlog around and take you into my kitchen. I'm experimenting with new recipes. So yesterday I started 3 breads. I'm going to have 6 loaves, so hopefully I'll have some people I can drop it off to. This is the brioche I started. It's huge. Look at all that lovely gas. It's like the one time you really want gas, right? So it looks so good. It's risen so well. I did a refrigerator proof. That's what I'm calling it. But it's basically like the low and slow fermentation method. I also started a sourdough biga, and I have a pumpernickel sourdough started in the fridge as well. But because I'm trying to pace it, I am bringing things out at different times of the day. But we're going to, very excitedly, to work on the brioche dough now. So prepare yourselves. I don't know. Hopefully it'll turn out okay. I've never done any of these recipes, so I'm excited. This one is from America's Test Kitchen. It is their no-knead brioche dough, but I did modify it. So instead of using white table sugar, I used honey because that's what I have, and I really prefer honey in bread, especially brioche. It just adds to it. So hopefully we'll get a good texture. I have no idea. I have a hard time with brioche because you have to wait so long for it to be ready. Your bread. So, as you can tell, I've been setting different bread timers to stagger and let me know when to work on bread. So, I'm gonna get to that. You ready? Ready. I knew you were excited. Gosh, look at all that. Hope you guys can see it. Let's see, can we... Oh, yeah, baby, look at all that. It's so pretty. It's a little sticky, but it's not terrible, so I'm going to scooch this over so that if I need it, it's here. If I don't, it's okay. Transfer the dough to a well-floured counter and divide into 4 pieces. Got my little cutter. If I were smart, I would weigh this dough. However, honestly, I'm just too lazy for that at this point in time. We're going to eyeball it. I can go ahead and put this over here, this one over here, this over here, and work on the ones. The joys of plastic wrap. When kind of floured because honestly this stuff is so freaking sticky. Okay. Fold edges towards the center until a ball forms. Flip the dough over. And without applying pressure, move your hands in a circular motion. Oh, I know what you want me to do. Ta-da! Let's see if it stays or if I need to continue. So you can't see it, but I'm cupping and like twisting under to get a really beautiful little ball. That's what I'm doing. Hands here in a minute. You'll see. I'm going to hold it so I'm going to do it just a wee bit more. Push up. Just push up. Right. That one's definitely going to push it. Alright. Look at this. Flour now, because it's sticking to me spreading. That's a lot of flour. A little more flour than I want. So this is an excessively sticky dough to me. I had to add a lot of flour to it yesterday, I found. When usually I substitute honey, I kind of have an idea of like how much more flour I need to add, but I actually had to add way more. I added extra like vital wheat gluten. So this is like a really base technique to get down with your bread making. It's just one of those things that it takes a little practice. I am not the greatest one at doing this. Let me just go ahead and like practice that. But it is a good one to, I mean, you play, you practice. I mean, worst case scenario, you're rolling enough flour than you thought, and you kind of live and learn. So it's a fun one to do. There we go. A bread timer for 5 minutes. Okay, so what I am doing now is taking out my barm, or my biga. I think it's my biga. Yeah, that's what it's called. Look at all the gluten. Looks so good.
Did you say you're taking out your barn? But your barn, like B-A-R-M?
No, B-A-R-M. It's Italian. Barm. So, all right. Look at that.
You have to tell me when I need to be quiet or whatever.
That would be good, actually. I'm already recording. You're already on it. It's too late.
People.
You can keep talking. It's fine. I don't know if they'll hear you or not. I don't know.
Well, as long as they don't see me.
No. You're on my phone, and it's away because I need to be able to see the recipe. So I'm cutting this into 10 little pieces so that it can mix into the dough better. I'm going to spike mine with a little bit of yeast so that I get a faster rise and it's a little less sour because my sourdough has been quite sour lately. So I want to make sure that it's sour, but it isn't too sour. 1 1/4 teaspoons so that I can get a 1.5 to 2 hour rise out of it before we punch the dough down. Do you want me to mute you? Because it's going to be loud because I'm going to run the stand mixer for the next like 10 minutes.
I got nothing going on.
Okay. We're going to do that for the next 10 minutes. Ooh la la. Quick progress update. My bread. She has risen. I'm so excited. And my sourdough has also risen. Hold on, I'll move you up so you can see that. So that's where we're at. My pumpernickel sponge and all the many ingredients that are required for this one, and I do mean many, are going to be ready to go in a little bit. So, yes, wish me luck. Okay, welcome back. And if you're wondering, in the background, I'm having a house party with friends. So, the sourdough has risen very well. So now I need to figure out a way to, I got rid of all my bannetons before I left, so I need to do that, and then I have to clean it and make more dough. So, again, preparation for the pumpernickel. Prep for the pumpernickel. Look, okay, so excited. Look at it come out, it looks so good. I'm going to go ahead and let this fill it up because I got to clean it, Okay, let's bool it up, shall we? Get it? Hee hee, I'm thinking funny. I'm going to do, because I don't want to add a lot of flour to this, so I'm doing the oil slick method is what it's called. So, kind of similar to what we did earlier. And I'm going against the grain with the book, just be aware. So that's our bread. We're going to let her sleep for about 1.5 to 2 hours. Now I did add in commercial yeast because I don't want it to be overly sour-y. So this one is going to proof much faster than it would if you just did straight sourdough. You do have the option, but again, that's what I chose to do. So I added in my breadcrumbs. I've added in the cocoa powder and stuff. I'm now going to go and add stuff that's not included in this recipe. We're living life on the edge, which is things that I like in terms of flavoring. So it's a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of roasted garlic powder. Okay, since I last saw you, my bread has risen, and I have finished the brioche, and the sourdough is all done. So we're down to the last of the line, and that is the pumpernickel, which I am by and far most excited about. So I've decided to turn this into a sandwich loaf, and it looks like that. Sandwich bread, so I'm going to stretch it, and this is just how I roll my sandwich bread. Just lightly degas, very gently. I hope you guys can see this. Sorry if you can't. I'll do this towards you. So you want to roll and push. I'll show you this way, and I'll try and get a better angle. So I roll and I push. I roll and I push, and I roll and I push. Roll and push. And then I tuck the ends. Oh, it's definitely not done. But I like to tuck the ends. Sandwich loaf style. Our goal really is to make this nice tight tension you see here. Plop her in. And then I like to lubricate the top. And then I'll put some plastic wrap on it. Welcome back. So I have finished the pumpernickel bread. It looks like this. It was really hard on the outside. So what you're seeing now, these little spots, I wanted a really soft crust, so I basically spread a little bit of spreadable, like Land O'Lakes spreadable butter on the outside. I like the texture that can give to bread, so I really wanted to do that with these. I don't think I quite got the rise that I wanted out of them, but they smell really good. They look very much like pumpernickel. Hold on, I'll show you. So that's where we're at. Back here is the sourdough that I worked on earlier, the brioche you saw. And so that is where we're at today. Sorry, I was just moving that out of the way. So that's where I'm at. I'm going to hopefully find some people to give some of this to you, because I don't have enough room in my freezer for 6 loaves of bread. It's kind of tiny. So yeah. And so this one, you want an internal temperature of 195 on the pumpernickel. The brioche was an internal temperature of 190, and the sourdough, I want to say it was 2 or 205. Depending on the shape you did with the pumpernickel, changed the temperature and stuff. I did a loaf pan, so I followed those directions. I will say next time I think I'm going to do what they recommend for like batards and boules, because I feel like I'll get a better lift. I feel like the temperature was too low to really get an extra rise out of it like I should have. So those are just thoughts. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little vloggy vlog. Yeah, it was wonderful. I love baking. It is a great stress reliever for me. I know that's not the thing for everybody, but like, I don't know, anything creative in general, I tend to really, really love doing. I think that's why I like art and like baking and cake decorating. So hopefully they'll taste good. I'll probably taste test them on Instagram. I'm honestly too tired to eat them right now. I really just want some mac and cheese, and that's it. I'm a very easy girl like that. So anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really like doing this. So yeah, if you have any recipes or suggestions of things to like bake or cook or whatever, let me know in the comment section below. I'm always up for trying new things. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe if you want. It's free, it's optional, but you don't have to, but it's sure nice to have you here. With that, I hope you have a wonderful evening, morning, afternoon, whatever it is, and wherever you are in the world. I hope you have a wonderful day. Talk to you later.